So YouTube has just introduced a new feature in the YouTube dashboard. Now, why this might be new to some people, I'm very sure most of us might be aware of it already, especially if you are monetized. Okay, so now whether you are already monetized and you are on your way to monetization, watch this video because this feature actually has the potential to help you get more views, and also reach wider audience and all that. So we are going to get the proper understanding of this new feature that YouTube just introduced, and as well as I will take you to my dashboard and show you where you can find this feature and set it up for yourself. Okay, so now what is this feature all about? Have you ever heard of auto dubbing? Well, before I go ahead, welcome to my channel. I am Angela, the face behind this channel, and I am always excited to bring you latest updates about YouTube, tips, hacks, anything that can help you get to your monetization destination. Okay, so I got a message from YouTube telling me about this feature auto dubbing. So after reading it and doing my findings, I decided to come and share with you all so that you can make a well-informed decision as to whether you want to enable this feature for your channel or not. So now, basically, what is auto dubbing going into? Auto dubbing is a new feature that YouTube has introduced to our channels, that will enable you reach wider audience. How? So, we have the subtitle option, right? The subtitle basically is going into translating your speech into different languages. Okay, you can be having your videos in English language, and then you have the translated version on the screen in French, in the German language, in Indonesian, and all that. I also made a video on that and how you can set up your subtitles in different languages. So now that's one part. Now auto dubbing goes even more deeper. Auto dubbing is going into when someone else in a different country that usually watches their video in the Spanish language, for example, can also view your video in the Spanish language. Wait a minute. So I'm here recording my video speaking English, and then someone somewhere else is going to be watching my video and hear me speak Spanish. How is that even possible? Because I don't speak Spanish. So you see, the level technology is taking us to. So now, how can this help you reach wider audience? It's very simple, because people who are struggling to understand the language you usually use in your video are going to be able to watch your videos in their mother tongue. Now, I think that's a beautiful thing. So let's look at it step by step. What's the function of this auto dubbing? The function, it says it replaces the original audio with a translated version in another language using synthesized speech. So it means I is going to take over your voice and communicate what you are trying to say in your video to that person in their language. Wow. So now, what is the purpose of this feature? So it enables viewers to hear the content in their preferred language without needing to read subtitles. Wow. Because let's face it, some people don't really like, reading. Okay. When they are listening or watching a video, they want to be able to flow with the voice or the sound that they are hearing. Not everybody likes to try and keep up with the subtitles text and trying to read and understand what's being said. So wow. Then accessibility, it improves accessibility for those who don't understand the original language. So literally anybody on YouTube, as long as they have their languages available in these auto-dubbed speeches or voices that YouTube has integrated into their system, they will be able to watch your videos without any problem. So limitations, people are like complaining like, oh, that it doesn't have that emotional feeling because now it's like AI is what is talking, it doesn't have that human vibe anymore. So this is basically what some viewers are complaining about. They say it lacks that emotional connection, it lacks that, lack emotional depth and compared to human performed dubbing. Okay, so there are some dubbing that people do as well, and this one is basically going into AI generated auto dubbing. So anyway, what do you all think about this feature? Personally, I feel depending on the type of niche you are into, okay, this can really help your channel blow up. Okay, imagine having people from all over the world listen to your video and they are able to understand you without having to read the subtitle. Basically, you will now be speaking French, Spanish, German, English, you name it, all the languages out there, at least the ones that are available for now. So personally, I think this is something definitely that is going to help create move to the next level. Why there are some people who are going crazy about this new feature and really excited and happy, we still have other people who have their reservations, who have different views from this. Like I said before, depending on your niche, you can decide if it's worth enabling in your dashboard or not. So now I am going to take you to my dashboard and show you where you can find this auto dubbing feature. Okay, so let's go. Let me share my screen. And if you are new to my channel and you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like and comment on this video. Also share as well so that we can spread this information to more people. So now if you want to enable that feature or you want to find where it is, you just need to go to your dashboard and then you go over to your settings. And then here we have the default upload, the upload default. This is where you go to. And then you go to advanced settings. Here under advanced setting, you will find the automatic dubbing feature here. You can either enable it to go automatically or you set it to manual. Okay, so these are the options available. So now I think it's not all channel that has this feature yet because it's a new feature that YouTube started rolling out recently, like a few months ago. And it could be that when you go to your dashboard, especially if you are not yet monetized, it could be that when you go to your dashboard, you won't find it, but you might be lucky to already have that feature there. But in case you make your way to this place here under upload defaults, advanced settings, and you don't find it there, please don't panic. I'm very sure in no time, in due time, YouTube will spread this feature across all channels, at least especially if you are monetized. Okay, I'm pretty sure that most monetized channel already has this feature included, but if you are not yet there yet and you can't find this setting, there is no need for alarm, there is no need to panic. Just keep checking in maybe every week and see if you will find the feature there. Now, that being said, having spoken about this out and how it works or basically what it means, do you think you will be enabling this setting for your channel? Do you think it's that will help us grow as creators, or do you think it's not necessary? Okay, so because honestly, if you go and do your research, you will see that people have a lot of different opinions about this. Why some are excited, some are rather like no. So I'm curious because personally I can't understand why people will even have anything to say against this. Okay, so but if you have any view that you want to share regarding this auto dubbing, maybe you or you already used it, you are using it, you can please share in the comment section how this is affecting your channel, if it's even having any positive or negative effect at all, or if you make any difference, please share in the comment section so that all of us can get inspired and learn. And if you also have your reservation about it or what you think, let's chat in the comment section and keep the conversation going. So that's it from me today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button and share this video so that other people can learn and benefit from this video. Bye bye for now.